It's calling me! Look at that. Still lots of ants in here. I've already washed it too. Hey, who's hiding here? Who's hiding here? Who's hiding here? Hey, Herbie. Don't see any more ants on here. Did I rid them? Oh, he's hiding. Or is he dead? I think he's dead. There's lots of ants. Probably some inside of there. Going other places now. Okie dokie. So, you can see this is marked off, and we're going to be doing the repairs on this one. So this is a seam. And so, we're gonna start cleaning up these areas. Getting them prepped. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do a water sports tube repair today. So sit back, relax, and let's have some fun. Alright, let's start taping off the areas that need some repairs and start prepping the surfaces. So after we've got the areas all cleaned up and prepped, let's start the glue application. After the glue has been applied and the layers have sat for a little bit, we're now going to apply the patches. With the patch that folds over the seam there, we're now going to start gluing the other side. Then after the glue application, we're going to slightly fold it over and apply as much pressure as possible. So, as you guys probably saw, it was leaking. Oh, that's these seams. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix this one, but this is what we missed. So I'm just waiting for the glue to dry on this one, and then we'll see if this patch holds up for the other seam that was leaking. Alright, well, let's go see. Let's go see if this inflatable water sport tube will hold air now. So, this is the patching I had to do yesterday. It seemed, when I did that one patch, the seam was leaking a little bit more here, and there was a little bit more of a leak on the edge here. I guess because the fabric's just aging and whatnot, so I extended the patch here. Couldn't take the old patch off because it was on there pretty good. And this one here, same thing. The seam just started to crack some more. So, The moral of this story is you can't fix them all. Well, maybe this one's fixed, but let's find out. Well, I think I got her. Well, she's holding air, so let's see how long she holds air for now. Well, I'm only 2 hours in, and the thing's still going flat. Well, that was not fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like button somewhere here. And subscribe if you're new to the channel. So yeah. What can I say? You win some, you lose some. That's life. Well, there'll be more coming up, guys and girls. Stay safe and happy boating.